So for today's video, i-review natin tong application ni Make Money Real Cash by Givi. So dito makikita natin, kaka-download ko lang nito, mayroon na siya ditong 4.0 reviews at meron na rin siyang ratings na 3+ and 5 million plus downloads na rin siya dito. So dito magbabasa lamang po tayo ng nag-review dito. So sabi naman dito, super legit, compare on game. So ayan, as you can see, maganda naman yung mga reviews dito sa application na ito. Alright, so now open na natin tong application na ito. So which is ito yung apps ni Givi. So review lamang after natin ma-open. So dito mag-choose tayo ng kung ano yung language na prefer natin. So which is English, kasi yun lang naman yung nandito, wala namang Filipino. Ayan, so the choices is English, Spanish, Portuguese, Indonesian, French, and ayan siya. So just continue and then USD. Ayan. So continue lamang natin. So dito, kailangan lang natin itong i-agree. And then continue with the Google daw tayo. Ayan. After natin ma-continue with the Google, tap lamang po natin itong checkbox and tap the Google. So wait na lang natin na madiretso tayo doon sa ating, ayan, nakapag-register na tayo and dinala na tayo dito sa main application. So app money transfer, Minotaur Legacy. So click continue. Ayan. Ayan, mali. So wait na lang natin. So X na lang natin to siya. So nawala yung dito, before tayo makapag-proceed sa main application, so kailangan natin tong i-click tong continue. So in order to continue earning money and making profits, we need to transfer you to another application. So click natin tong continue and then mare-redirect tayo sa application na gusto na namang i-download ng apps na ito. So download na lang natin and wait na lang natin siya para makapag-proceed na tayo. So ayan, na-download na natin yung application and natin si Givi kung ano yung sasabihin niya dito. So ayan, click continue. So na-download naman na natin yun. So puntahan na lang natin. Click na lang natin yun siya. Oh, meron na naman siyang pinapa-install. Hindi ko magets bakit. So andito tayo sa apps na to. So naglo-loading siya. So you can choose your avatar. Ayan. So mamimili ka lang dito kung ano yung gusto mong i-profile dito sa apps na ito. So try natin yan and then your name. So country, so ayan, and click natin yung next. So dito meron siyang nakalagay na 0.35 to cash out via Binance, True Money, Papara, JazzCash, PayPal, Instant Payment siya, GCash, and many more. The longer you stay, the more you Minotaur evolve. Ayan siya. So click lang natin tong next. See you. Ayan. So dito meron siyang nakalagay na let's start. Kung ano man ito. So ayan, to send you, so don't allow, I don't want any notification. So required permission. So ayan, basahin na lang, click OK. And proceed na naman tayo dito. So ayan, kailangan natin siyang i-allow yung apps permission. So allow natin yung camera. Allow while using app. Manage, ayan. And then balik tayo. So dito, check natin to siya. Ayan, how it works. Watch the tutorials.
Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how our referral system works and everything around it. That includes our giveaways, content creation, milestones, and much more. Let's start with the most basic one, refer a friend. You have to invite people with your link that you get from this button here. You get 10 cents instantly and a 20% boost on your future earnings. Additionally, from now on, every click that you get on your referral link, even if they do not download the app, will generate you some small coins. Next is the milestones right here. They are connected to your referrals and encourage you to invite invite more people. Every couple of people you invite give you a specific reward, as you can see here. Moving on to the giveaway. Every single day, we give away $25 to one of our users. We draw a random chance on who to win based on tickets. The more tickets you have, of course, the bigger the chance to win. You get tickets when you invite friends. Let's go to the leaderboards now. The leaderboards is another way for you to earn rewards. Every 24 hours, there is a leaderboard with the people that invited the most friends to the apps. The first 10 places win nice and sweet rewards. And last but not least is the content creation section. You can create a video or a short for the apps promoting them and submit the link of the video right here. We will review it and you will get tons of bonuses for this. Enjoy your time in the apps and don't forget to follow us on our social platforms for exclusive content, latest news, and even more bonuses.
So, yun yung tutorial nila. Ayan. And ito yung mga hot offer nila. So, re-review lamang natin to. So, dito, social offer nila, ayan, kung ifa-follow mo yung social media account ng Givi Apps. So, dito, and this, daily. So, sa pag-withdraw naman, monthly, pwede daily, monthly. Ayan. So, dito, yung minimum pala ng withdrawal is 0.35 sa Binance, 1 to 2 days. Fowry naman is 1 to 2 days. PayPal, ganun din. Payer. And Unified Payment Interface. Hedera, ZolaPay, and JazzCash. Ayan. So, I'm not familiar dito. So, meron din sila ditong GCash, Lazada, TrueMoney Wallet. Ayan. So, I think naman it's legit. So, ito yung profile. So, review lamang po ito ha. Hindi, So, as you can see, wala pa akong na-earn dito. Kasi nga, kaka-download ko lang sa apps na to. But, I don't know how to play this. So, let's start. Required daw siya ng permission to show. In order to continue playing game, apps needs permission to show earning view over other apps. So, i-grant na lang natin. Click grant. So, ayan, naglo-loading siya. So, waiting na lang tayo. Display over app. So, ayan, okay na. Balik tayo sa application. Nasaan na yun? And let's start the game. So, dito, may ads na naman siyang lumabas. Ayan. Ayan, walang katapusang ads. Apps notification. So, pati yung notification, kailangan siyang i-allow. Okay. Allow natin. And then, let's go back. Let's start to play. AFK earnings. Ayan siya. So, end session. Ayan, lagi na lang may ads. Ano ba yan? So, gem. So, 5 to 10 minutes, you can earn up to 150 M with this offer. So, kailangan lang daw i-begin yung task. Ayan. Terms ay basahin nyo na lang siya. And then, click accept. So, accept na naman. Ang dami niyang kaartehan tong application na ito. So, offer list. So, refresh natin. So, wala pang offer for today. So, quit natin. And let's start the game. Ayan, meron na namang ads. So, bale, kikita ka dito via ads. Ayan. So, ito yung niya dito. Every time na may nag-play na ads, doon ka mag-earn.
تعرف إنه ممكن يكون في ثلاث
Current earnings. So, ayan pala siya. So, kailangan mo siya ditong manood ng ads. Ayan. So, meron na tayong 709 coins which is, ayan. So, baga yung 10,000 coins is equivalent siya ng 0.01 USD. So, para makaano ka ng minimum,